Guys, alam mo, I think a lot of you wanted this and I was always never parang ready to share it. Well, hindi naman sa tinatago ko siya. But kasi I was always fearful of how people would perceive me to be. Na parang sabihin ng tao, may magayayabang siya. But now I'm ready and I'm going to share it to you. So, back when I was still in corporate, guys, I'm the type kasi na gusto ko maraming ginagawa. Ayoko yung parang napapagod ako. I always believe na hustle ka lang. Because ganun ka kikita ng pera, ganun ka yayaman. And I always had a scarcity mindset when I was in corporate. Like everything for me back then was all about kikita ba ako ng pera kung gagawin ko to, yayaman ba ako pag gagawin ko to, ganon. You can ask my friends, my closest friends, lahat ng lalabas sa mouth ko noon was always about bakit kikita ako pera dyan, ganyan. It was always like that, na parang, I actually don't know why I had that scarcity mindset. Na parang, I always had that fear, na parang, the world is not enough. The goods in the world, or the good in the world is not for everyone. Parang ganon. If you're gonna ask me, is this cup half empty or half full? Lagi ko sabihin, it's half empty. Diba? Parang ganon. And that's the reason na maybe it's also one thing na bakit ako hoarder as a person. Na if may gamit ako, I'm so maingat na ayoko siyang gamitin kasi ayoko siyang maluma. Because, I don't know, I always felt na baka maubusan ako. And it slowly just changed during the pandemic na parang we have to live in a world na dapat mas abundant mindset tayo. And when I started creating content, guys, diba? When I was sharing all of my tips, tricks, all of my experiences, most especially about credit cards, where I was really open to sharing it to everyone. That's where I felt na, oo nga no, bakit ko ba kailangan ipagkait lahat sa sarili ko? Why do I always have to live in a mindset or in a world where my mindset is always super finite, na parang mauubusan ako ng gamit sa mundo? I just realized slowly when I was creating content and when you guys appreciated the content, doon ko lang slowly na-realize sa buhay ko, oo nga, the world is so vast, the world is so big. The more you give out to the world, the more you will get in return. The more you will feel love, the more you will feel happy. Kaya nga parang now guys, ay nako, everything, i-share lang natin siya. Kaya wala akong tinatago na kahit ano sa inyo because the more I live this way, the more I am happy, the more I am able to share, the more you guys benefit from everything that I talk about. Guys, grabe nakakataba siya ng puso ko. And this is just a reminder for you guys out there then na if you think that the world is very limited, na ipagkakait ng mundo lahat ng bagay sa atin, try to live life a little bit more open, a little bit more with the abundant mindset na parang, yes, kung ano yung gusto mo, i-manifest natin siya. Diba? We share. Because the more we share, the more happy you will get. And the more happy you will get, the more thankful you will be for your life. And hindi na darating sa mindset mo, guys. Yung parang, oh my gosh, ipagkakait ng mundo sa akin lahat ng mga magagandang bagay. Because you will think of wanting to help more people, and in return, iba yung happiness that you will get, and the world will reward you for it. I'm telling you. So, live life with an abundant mindset.